Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about Burly Brand parts for a Honda Rebel 1100. Now, if you're familiar with Burly Brand, they've been making like garage builder style parts for quite a while, but mainly in the Harley space, and they've branched off here and there, but it's pretty much been like Sportster and Dyna parts, even a few bagger parts. Well, they've taken a hard run at the Honda Rebel 1100, which is a great bike. And you don't typically see this from companies that specifically make Harley parts, so props to Burly for really going out there and getting after this model. Now, they've done quite a wide range of products, even handlebars, which we don't have here, but we're gonna give you a look kind of at dip your toes in this Honda Rebel 1100 parts list. Right here we just have a set of side covers, something you would pull the boring stock pieces on, pop these right on, and they're a stamped steel, powder coat. It's gonna be nice and durable. And you can see this like slotted style. They have a bunch more of this stuff. They have license plate relocate kits, both side mount and like tail tidy style. They have sprocket covers, chain guards, things like that. So you can kind of bring that same look on throughout the bike. What Burly was originally known for was their slammer kits, and they've actually made one for the Rebel 1100. Now this is going to come in at the top of the price range here. You're looking at about $100 to $400 for all of these parts, depending on what they are. This is going to be the more expensive piece at that $390 or $400 range. What you get is a 10.5 inch shock and a new spring for the front that drops in that lowers it 2 inches, because you don't really want to drop the rear end of that bike that much without dropping the front end. So this kind of like slams the whole thing. Now I will say, from using these slammer kits on different bikes in the past, it really does slam them down. So if you're looking for like a nice plush ride, this isn't it. This is about getting that like slam down, like choppery style look. The other thing they have is they do have another set of shocks. If you want to go the other way, they also do have a set of 13-inch shocks. So if you want to go the other way and you want to raise the rear end of that bike up, maybe get yourself a little more lean angle, they can help you there. Also, moving on to more like foot and hand controls. They have a couple different styles of brake pedals and shifters here. They both have that slotted arm. They're both steel powder coated, so it's gonna be very, very durable. But you can get this MX style, or you can get this round knurled style, which actually they call slotted. It goes to the rest of their slotted stuff. But the MX stuff is steel powder coated. It's very, very grippy, and you can see the MX style pegs there, which those pegs, again, that's another carryover from the Harley line. Those MX pegs are very, very popular with Sportster and Dyna guys. And in addition to being really, really grippy, obviously that MX style like toothy cut, on the bottom of these is a bottle opener, which is, you know, a nice touch. Also, here we have the radiator guard and the tool side pieces that go on each end. Now this is the only piece up here that is not steel. It's actually aluminum, and it's anodized, which is a nice touch. I'm assuming they probably made that out of aluminum because you don't want all that weight hanging on your radiator. But if you're looking to modify or customize your Rebel 1100, Burly has a really nice product selection for that model. So if you want some more information on anything you see here or any of the other Burly Rebel 1100 parts, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail pages where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs on all of these parts. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your budget, and riding style. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.